On day one, I signed an executive order directing every member of my cabinet to marshal all powers at their disposal to defeat inflation and reduce the cost of daily life. I declared a national energy emergency, and it's so important, national energy emergency to unlock the liquid gold under our feet. The United States has the largest amount of oil and gas of any country on earth, and we're going to use it. Not only will this reduce the cost of virtually all goods and services, it'll make the United States a manufacturing superpower.
Welcome back, dreamers. In today's video, creativity meets opportunity. How and what to invest in during the Trump administration. Whether you're an experienced investor or stepping into this magical realm for the first time, let's uncover the opportunities and strategies that will be tailored to meet these unique times. In Trump's last administration, it ushered in a landscape of tax reforms, deregulations, and significant market movements. Now, understanding the broader economic themes of this time, like lower corporate taxes and an emphasis on American energy independence, it is key to navigate your investment strategy. But don't worry, we will go over it step by step. A great predictor of future behavior is past behavior. Let's look at the sectors that sparkled during his last administration. During the first Trump administration, the technology sector witnessed significant advancements. Booming innovations made tech a standout star. Companies focused on cloud computing, AI, and cybersecurity flourished. For instance, app-loving Core, also known as Axon AI advertising engine, experienced a remarkable 107% increase in their stock price. When it comes to the energy sector, Trump's administration's policies favored traditional energy sources, leading to growth in the fossil fuel industry. Advances in biotechnology and pharmaceuticals gained traction. The emphasis on research and development during this period contributed to the sector's expansion. With tax cuts boosting consumer spending, retail and e-commerce soared. Companies such as Williams-Sonoma Inc., for example, saw a 50.4% increase in their stock value, which was driven by market share gains and profit growth. It's important to note that while certain companies and subsectors experienced significant growth, the overall performance of these industries was influenced by a complex interplay of policies, market dynamics, and global events. Now let's sprinkle some magic strategically into our portfolio. Diversify wisely. Spread your investments across sectors to balance off the risk. Look for tax-friendly opportunities. Benefit from policies that encourage investment in certain industries. We could look at examples such as Nancy Pelosi. If choosing individual stocks feels daunting, consider ETFs and index funds. These options provide exposure to entire sectors with ease. Stay long-term. Remember, markets have their ups and downs, but patience often yields the best result. Every magical journey has its twists and turns. Trade tensions, economic fluctuations, and political changes can create volatility. It's crucial to stay informed and review your portfolio regularly and adjust as needed. Now, my dear investors, remember, every decision you make today shapes the path to your future. By staying informed and thoughtful, you can navigate any market with confidence. Until next time, may your investments grow and your dreams take flight. And keep dreaming, keep creating.